Generative AI is revolutionizing and humanizing AIOps interfaces and associated AI-native networking platforms. Today in the Tech Whiteboard series, we talk about generative AI and large language models, also known as LLMs. We'll also cover a technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, that enhances LLMs' quality and output. LLMs are a language model, adept at understanding and generating human language by employing deep learning through neural networks. They analyze vast amounts of text data, accessing billions of parameters to discern patterns, understand structure, and predict words or generate sentences. Chatbots incorporated AI techniques like natural language processing, or NLP, and transfer learning, which accelerated their evolution to better understand users' natural language input. Previous videos in this series have covered NLP. Now the recent advances in LLMs enable the retention of greater context and complexity in human-to-agent conversations, expanding their utility and integrations. LLMs have some limitations, such as being confined to their training data up to their last update, or generating erroneous predictions called hallucinations. Techniques like prompt engineering and RAG are used to mitigate these issues and enhance response accuracy and freshness. The input given to an LLM is called a prompt. Prompt engineering is the art of formulating precise questions to get better, safer, or more accurate responses. Prompts can be refined, enhanced, or sanitized before being submitted. New information can be integrated from external sources and databases using RAG. This approach ensures responses remain relevant, accurate, fresh, and trustworthy. Enhancing the LLM output with RAG is a multi-stage process of indexing, fresh retrieval, and generation. First, all relevant documents, such as Juniper Network's public documentation, must be chunked and indexed into a vector database. Next, we retrieve relevant documents based on the user's input query. Finally, the relevant documents are combined with the prompt as additional context. The combined text and prompt are then passed to the LLM to generate the accurate and contextually relevant response. The MIST AI engine features Marvis, a conversational network assistant enhanced with an LLM and Juniper Network's public documentation via RAG, raising its understanding and capabilities. Hence, Marvis can now answer custom inquiries regarding Juniper products and services, going beyond its troubleshooting capabilities for your Juniper Mist managed deployments. Teams collaborate better with AI tools that have enhanced understanding of their intent and desired outcomes. Juniper Networks is pioneering AI-native networking with tools like NLP, LLMs, and RAG, democratizing access and demystifying complex operations. Users and operators at all levels can work at their own pace while rapidly learning, understanding, and driving change.